What are QR codes and should you use them in your marketing? Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing USA with the marketing tip of the day. I have two words for you, or actually two letters, initials. QR code. What are they and should you use them? QR codes have been around for a long time, at least 10 or 15 years. And up until the recent outbreak of COVID, where everybody was quarantined, nobody knew what they were really in the mass public or how to use them. Now with the COVID-19 and everybody scanning restaurant menus with their smartphone, everybody knows what they are. Now, how can you use those in your marketing? They're a great tool if you're doing a direct mail piece or if you have a brochure and you want to direct somebody to a video. We can do a QR code on that printed piece. They scan it with their smartphone. It takes them directly to that page on your website or that video that you want them to see. Maybe you want to do get customer reviews. You can do a QR code and have them scan it, and they can go directly to your review page to leave reviews. The uses for a QR code are endless because it's a very simple and effective way for you to direct traffic and direct interest in your product or service to a specific area. You can compartmentalize it, and then from there, it's a tool to generate leads and business for your company. I hope you found this content useful. If you did, please like and comment below, and please help a brother out, subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a great day.